What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something a tad bit different because I finally started Boxycharm. I've been seeing it for a few years now and I always wanted to try it, but I was always really scared that I wasn't going to like the products in it. But this year I just sucked it up. I let January pass, so I didn't get the January box. So this is the first box I've ever had. So we're just going to open it up, see all the goodies that are in here, and then I'll do like a demo if I can, okay? So let's go. So they always say like there's like $125 worth of stuff in here, but you only pay $25 for it. So yeah, like I only paid $25 for this box, which is kind of crazy. So cut that open. All right, let's peek. First thing in here is these parts. High Performance BU Naturally Palette. Evo Skin Aurora Refreshing Clean Hemp Wipes. Those look really nice. Ciate Everyday Vacay Setting Powder. Facial Radiance Pads. Ooh, I might love these. Okay, let's move that. Iconic London Day to Slay Eyeshadow Palette. And then finally, I got 3 makeup brushes. So that's cool. Well, that's great. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things for $25 is actually kind of good. But let's break these bad babies open and see what's in them. Okay. So I ended up doing my makeup. Well, not my makeup. I ended up doing my foundation. This is my concealer. And we're going to try some of the products out, like right now. And sorry, this is kind of like rushed makeup. I'm kind of in a hurry. And it also doesn't look like my color. I look very light, but it's okay. We're gonna get, okay. So there's that. So now the Ciate Vacay Everyday Vacay Setting Powder. Come on. Come on. There we go. I actually love Ciate's nail polishes, so I'm hoping this is like really good. Oh, it's translucent. I'm kind of noticing that, I don't know if you can see it. It looks like it's full. It's about halfway, so it's not that bad. I guess they're like samples. So, I mean, whatever. So let's take this off. If I can get it. There we go. There we go. Hold on. There we are. Okay. So usually what I do is I pour it out on here. Okay. So this is not translucent. It's white. So I'm kind of nervous that this is not going to end well for me. So let's just have. Oh, it does smell like coconut. That's fun. I really just have to like set the under eyes first. That's what I do. I kind of just pat, pat, pat. And it also saves a lot of powder, like from the fallout and stuff like that. So just pat it on like that. Ooh, the coconut smells good though. Oh, and I'm not that white, so that's good. So kind of pat myself right there. And a little more right there. Okay. So I can buff that off. Oh, that's actually not bad. Okay. Good job. I'm thinking about maybe doing a cut crease because I have 2 eyeshadow palettes. I think I'll end up just doing a cut crease. That way I can use both of them. Or I might just do like one side with this palette and then the other side with that palette. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So you guys, that's crazy. They look really good. Let me just swatch them real quick and see if they're light in the new champagne sheet. Oh wow, super cake. Oh wow. I mean, it's coming out kind of good. I don't even know if you can see that, but let's go ahead. So I am going to take this fluffy brush right here, and I'm going to go into Deep Soul, and I'm just going to like pat that in my crease. Okay. And then what I do sometimes is that I go like this and then look down and see if there's anywhere that I need to fill, which is like right here. Okay, then what I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna go in Bellany. I think that's what it's called. Oh wow, whoa. And I'm just gonna like pop that right here. I am about to cut the crease, but I'm not gonna cut it all the way, if that makes sense. Wow. Wow, this is crazy. So just dip a little, not too much. Don't want to go too crazy here.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Set the eye. Powder. I always try to set my eye, like my concealer with like eyeshadow. Does not work for me. It works better if I use setting powder. So that's what I'm gonna use. Okay. Oh crap! I forgot I had these brushes. I should be using them. Now I don't know where the brushes are from, so that's kind of bad. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know what brand this is. I don't know how to pronounce it either, so I'm not even going to bother trying. Okay, so I'll put those right there so I can remember to go into Merlot Monday. I'm just finding like as many colors as I can use and kind of just pat on the outside because I want something very light. Ooh. So now I want to do a little bit of glitter. Let's go into Rags to Riches because that sounds fun. Put it right here in the inner corner. Oh, it's there. It's just very low. Okay, so let's move on to the Tarte palette. I already have it open, so that's what it looks like. So there's fewer colors in here than in the iconic London palette, but then again, like this palette probably costs more than the iconic London palette did, so I'm not mad at it because I think this palette is like 40 bucks. I got it for whatever 25 divided by 6 is, so I'm not really mad at it. But I'm going to try and do a cut crease kind of like in the same way. There's there's 3 shimmer colors, so I still have the shimmer to do, but let's go into this color. The only thing is I don't know what these colors are. Like I'll leave like a little text thing of what colors these are, and I'm kind of just going to do the same exact thing.
I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this?
Alright, so I already did the darker and then cut my crease. So, oh, it does tell you the thing on the bottom. So, Since there's no lighter color like the one I use in the the Iconic palette, I'm just gonna have to like improvise. So I'm gonna go in with like this lighter tone right here and mix it in with like this little pinkish tone and do that. Just pat it. And the problem I already kind of see from this palette is that it's not very pigmented. I have to really like pat it in, which is fine, I guess. So we'll do it like that instead. So it's in there. The only thing is like this is a lighter color and this is a light color, so you're not going to see it very well. So I'll wait until I'll do another video strictly with this palette to see how pigmented it really is. So then I'm going to take this lighter color right here, right in the inner corner. Oh wow.
Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down.
Alright, I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I'll be back. Here we are, all finished. On this side I ended up putting like a wing, like eyeliner on, because I thought that it would look a little better, and it does. Like this is the more like natural side, and then this is the more dramatic side. But all in all, I really love everything that came with this Boxycharm palette. If you're thinking about wanting to sign up for Boxycharm, or thinking about just getting one box, I will leave a link to Boxycharm in the description below. No, this is not a sponsored video. I just think that you can get use out of these products if you're really into makeup. Even if you're not and you're more into skincare, I think it's still really good, because I have 2 skincare things that I can't wait to use tonight. So yeah, I'm not going to keep rambling on. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and share it if you want, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.